it's Tammy with Cause for Travels, and today I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm making homemade pill pockets for the dogs. Bella has a very sensitive stomach, so sometimes when I buy the pill pockets, even the chicken and the cheese pill pockets at the store, her belly gets upset. So I found a recipe on Pinterest. It's just dog treats, but it works great for pill pockets, and the recipe that I found made a small amount. So I experimented with it. If you make a whole bunch and stick it in your refrigerator, they're gonna mold. So I tried to freeze them. So what I do is I make a whole bunch at once, and then I just keep one container of them out to use, and I freeze the rest. And this is such an easy recipe. It's just so easy to make. I just wash my hands because I just use my hands to stir. It's so much easier once you get everything in there. But basically all it is 2 cups of regular peanut butter. I tried chunky. It didn't work too good. It made it dry. A big can of 100% pure pumpkin. Do not use the pumpkin pie filling. Use 100% pumpkin. And I like the big can because I don't want to have to make these all the time. And then I use a 42-ounce container of oatmeal. I use quick oats, I use old-fashioned oats, it's whatever I pick up at the time. So anyways, here is the can of pumpkin. It's about 4 cups, not quite 4 cups, but you don't have to be precise with this. I just experiment. Sometimes it gets a little bit too dry and I just shove more pumpkin or peanut butter in there. But I always put the peanut butter and the pumpkin in first so I can mix it up. If not, it's not going to mix up very well. So I'm going to use the spoon, and it mixes up. The pumpkin makes the peanut butter mix really well because of the smoothness of the peanut butter. But you know, dogs love peanut butter. Pumpkin helps your dogs combs their belly, and then the oatmeal is natural. So you know, some people put honey in theirs. I don't think my dogs need any more sugar, but this is the pumpkin and the peanut butter mixed up. And then I'm going to pour the container of oatmeal in there. And once again, I'm making a mess because that's what I do. I start by attempting to stir it, but then I get frustrated and I just use my hands. So let me use my hands and I will quickly stir this up, and I'll be back when it's all finished. So we're back. I have my mixture here of the peanut butter, the pumpkin, and the oatmeal. And what I did is I take a little scoop that you normally use for cookies, and I just put some balls in a container that I can just put the lid on, and I freeze them. And as I need them, I just take a container out and thaw it. But see, it's just easy. That's what I do. But our dogs get fish oil twice a day. They get it for breakfast and for when they eat dinner. They do not like fish oil. And the pills, I mean, really, they're kind of big. So what I do with these is, here, let me get a ball. I just take a ball out of there, and they're like, I mean, it's a pretty good size, but they don't get one a piece. What I do is I take one bowl and I divide it into thirds. And they're going to have their fish oil early, but I want you to see it. But these stay really moist. If you have a lid that's really good and sticks on, they're really moist. And it just forms really good around these humongous pills. But I just wrap the pill up. So, Bella, Baxter, Buckley, treat. Okay, sit. Bella. And she's the one that normally spits out the pills. Baxter. Buckley, easy, easy. Okay. There, what good bullies. But these pill pockets, what I call pill pockets, they don't upset their stomach. They're not getting a bunch of sugar or stuff that isn't natural. Now the peanut butter, you can get the natural peanut butter and it's healthier for the dogs, but they're just getting a little bit of everything. They like them, it's a special treat, and I hide their pills in them. But I'm going to finish balling these up. I will keep one container out in my refrigerator, not too many in them, or they will grow mold. I've done that before. But the rest of them, I'm just going to stick in my freezer, and as I need them, I'll pull out a tray, and I'll be good for a few months. But I think that'll be it. If you like the video, hit subscribe and that like button. There'll be more to go. You can comment if you have any questions. I will put what I call my recipe. I found some on Pinterest, and you modify your recipes to fit you. So I'll link what I do below. And if you have any questions, let me know. But I think that'll be it. My dogs are happy and taken care of for today. So I will see you next time. Bye.